FARTCOIN analysis. Who could have foreseen? Okay, so we talked about FARTCOIN. We obviously got in this inside the Discord much earlier. It was on the retest of this demand zone. Beautiful fucking entry. And then I told you, FARTCOIN, go back, go watch the video. It's all on YouTube. It's all live. I was saying in here, where's going to be your pullback to be able to enter into FARTCOIN? I told you, what's your best case scenario? Go back and watch the last live. What did I say? What did I say? I literally drew this exact demand zone. I told you this is your spot. Whoops. I said you get back down into 1.1, 1.2-ish, right? Like right into this demand zone. That's your bid zone. And what happened? We got it. So if we do like this, you're down 20%, 15%. That's where I would have been getting into FARTCOIN. Okay? This is the market leading altcoin risk on asset. Okay? FARTCOIN has been stair-stepping up beautifully for the past month or two. Since March. Okay? This was a parabolic blow off top. This is a stair step. This is loading up for moves up higher. On FARTCOIN, I'm expecting... Where's that? Right here. Parabola. Okay. This was your bid zone. I told you this was your demand zone. This is probably your best case. If you're super, 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 super lucky, you get that one. You didn't. And I don't expect you to get it. So like right at $1. But this was your expected one. What do I expect to happen on this if we start moving up here pretty soon? Parabola. So you stair step up. Okay, and then eventually this is going to get more and more aggressive, and you're going to see this blow off top like over here. Okay, that is good. FARTCOIN is continuing to show strength. That's bullish for altcoins. What else has been doing very well? HYPE. This is the other risk on indicator right now. So these ones you just want to make sure you have positions in just because they're alphas and they're performing well. But you also want to pay attention because they're giving context to the broader market. This is Hyperliquid's coin, HYPE. Okay, you set this low with FARTCOIN, and then we rip off the lows. Up 3x. 3x already up off the lows. Okay, this is another leading risk asset indicator. Okay, this is a very clear supply zone. You see HYPE flip this, all altcoins are risk on again. So look, clearly we nuke off of here, nuke off of here, nuke off of here. We could not get back through this supply. We come back into it and see what happens. You start moving sideways. Okay. HYPE is so close. As soon as HYPE gets past this supply region, okay, this overhead supply, number one, you're going to rip. So it's worthwhile to have a position in something like this. Right? You're probably going to $45, $50 on HYPE. Minimum. Put in log, and then put the fibs in log. You're looking at $64. Super conservative though, 45. Yeah. Okay. So that's what you're looking like on HYPE. Get over this supply. You're going straight to this one. Maybe you range a little bit right here, and then you're going up to the 1.618. Okay. Important to pay attention to HYPE. Why? Because it's a risk on indicator for this next leg up. As soon as HYPE and as soon as FARTCOIN started catching bids and started ripping off of the lows, that's how you knew, okay, we're back risk on. You want to pay attention to what the leaders are. It gives you an indication as to where the market is going to follow. Okay. Why does it work like that? Well, because people watch these assets as indicators, literally indicators. Okay, all right, there's a bid for HYPE. There's a bid for FARTCOIN. These are the market's favorites. If these are moving and they're catching a bid and people are turning risk on, and these are the first assets that they're going to pick up as they go risk on, that means there's going to be a follow-up bid on the rest of altcoins that have mindshare, that have value right now, to get these bids in accordance to FARTCOIN and HYPE. So as long as you don't see FARTCOIN and HYPE start to break down, then you remain bullish. Because HYPE has literally been up only since the lows. FARTCOIN... FARTCOIN has been up only off the lows. We are risk on. People are reallocating the markets. Nothing to be afraid about. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen. I gave you guys the fucking sauce. That's all you get. If you're not already a part of the network, well, I suppose you're just not that into making money, which I suppose it's fine. Not everybody likes making money. But for those of you who do, want to win, dominate, win at the highest levels, and actually be a part of a network of fucking hustlers, winners, people who want to make money, then I suggest you join the Taylor's Code. Link is in the description. Go to the website, join as a professional. That's going to be just access to the private Discord and all the general chats. Join as a gentleman to get access to the private crypto place, so you can actually get one-on-one analysis for myself on your portfolio. You're going to see what I'm buying, what I'm accumulating, what shorts and longs I'm opening up, analysis every single day, charts every single day on the assets that you want to see. You're going to get access to all that with the gentleman. Hero, you get access to everything. Every professor, every campus, every fucking crypto play, everything. If you're a hero, you'll go for everything. Outside of that, I've got nothing else to sell you on. I'm just going to start saying it. Because it's the truth. Why sugarcoat it? We're making millions, okay? We're making millions of dollars. Why the fuck would you not want to be in a part of an environment like that where you can make millions of dollars? Why would you not want to be a part of that environment where you can multiply your wealth, give your family a better life, better healthcare, better home, better food, better water, better life experiences, better vacations, better clothes? Why wouldn't you? Do you not deserve that? I deserve it. I know I deserve it. I know the people around me deserve a better life. Why would you not deserve a better life? There's opportunity out there. You just got to be able to identify it, take advantage, and be around the right people who can put you in positions to win. Most people, it's not that they can't win. It's not that they can't make money. They're just not in a position to win. If you never play the game, you can't win the game. How are you ever going to win a game if you don't ever play it? Get in the game, join the network. Let's make some fucking money, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'll see you guys. I'll likely probably do another stream tomorrow, because I want to pump out as much as humanly possible this week, because it's time to lock in. It's game time. It's bull run time. It's alt season time. It's time to fucking lock in, motherfucker. So I'm gonna go live more this week and give you guys the juice. All right, Mr. Producer.